Wow, thank you for this beautiful apartment where we stay good for two here in Saarbrücken. It's just by the city center. It's so easy to go to the city center from here. So this is complete apartment, good for three, yeah, and beautiful toilet also, and it's really clean. It's really highly recommended. It's just near in Saarbrücken city center. Come and join us. So we're going to explore Saarbrücken today. Come and join us.
Turn right.
You're right now.
How come it's like this? I don't understand. Oh, we need to again to cross the. We need to go back actually there
Use the
again.
right
It's
lane
just
to take
actually
exit
behind us.
17 towards Wilhelmshavenbrück.
We need to go back again to the bridge.
To this bridge.
To that bridge, yeah.
The next
We
one.
need to look like that. Because there is the look Saarbrücken. Wow, we go there. By Saarbrücken.
We are in Saarbrücken, my love.
Okay.
This is Saarbrücken.
This is Saarbrücken.
Oh,
Take the exit, then turn right onto
We're going
Wilhelmshavenbrück.
to the cathedral and we're going to the Rathaus.
what? Rathaus.
Rathaus.
Red house. Full of
At
rats.
the lights, use the right lane to turn onto Wilhelmshavenbrück. Then the destination is on your right.
Okay.
Then we're already there.
Yeah, because as I told you, if
It's only
we
900 meters.
just make U.
U-turn.
There. Nasa dagat.
Where's the Rathaus?
There's the Rathaus.
Stay in the middle lane. In 300 meters, the destination is on your right. Rathaus St. Johann.
Behind all these modern buildings. If it would have been a modern building, I would not even stop.
We look for parking. Here we are by the Rathaus, by the square.
This is the Rathaus, huh?
Yeah.
The destination is on your right. Rathaus St. Johann. Arrived.
Yeah, we need to look for parking.
It's orange. I'll go around the cathedral.
Here's the parking. And you can go to the cathedral around. Stoppers.
We park our car and now here we are by this in front
Baka may-
church. So picture muna tayo dito sa beautiful church of Saarbrücken. And it's here by the city center. Nice. Also, the station is here from the station. So
Here we are outside of the cathedral. Here in Thiers. This is the cathedral. And that is the Rathaus. No, it's it's closed?
No, there's a mass going on. French.
Look. That is the Rathaus.
With the Bayard. That's a Bayard.
it's really just opposite side of the church is the beautiful Rathaus.
Kala mo ba?
Rathaus means the municipal municipio. Here, just opposite side of the church of
So
Saarbrücken.
beautiful.
So look, this is Saarbrücken. It's really cool. The Rathaus we start. It's already beautiful huge and beautiful. Look at that. And there's a German flag. Yeah, so we need to make picture with ATMs so that you know that you're in Germany. So this is the church, and they have another church actually here we see. So come, we will have a look. So this is the beautiful church, the first big church here in Germany. Johannes Kerek, the name of this church, and this is the municipal. And we will walk and we will explore here what more they have in Saarbrücken. So come and join us and we will have a walk Look,
1, 2,
there's a lot
3.
of beautiful
1,
things here
2,
in
3.
Saarbrücken, but
Bisikleta
today
lang.
is Sunday, so they are closed. So picture na lang
1,
muna
2.
kami dito. You see, it's nice and beautiful,
Look
ha?
at din ang... Oh, look at this painting, 3D. Ito mo. Ganda. Ayan, Look.
I thought really it was a building.
I thought too. Paganda. 3D lang.
It's quiet today
Wala
because
si
it's
San Pedro.
Sunday, but
Walang
it's really
ibon.
nice and beautiful here in the surroundings. So I hope we will
Yung
come
kabila.
back here next
Ganda.
time when everything is open. So at least makakakita tayo ng kung ano-ano. But anyway, have picture muna kami. This is the second church here in Saarbrücken. And this is actually the Catholic Church, a little bit smaller than the first one in front of their Gemeinde. And this is the houses that I like actually.
I don't know, you know?
And they also have a flower here in Saarbrücken because anyway, it is spring.
Kukunan
So
ko
look
lahat.
at the beautiful flower. Ang ganda. Akyat
Sige,
pa si
akyat ka,
Ate
te.
Ems dyan.
Pag nahulog ka. Yun, nakaakyat na siya. Nalipipicture ko muna yung puno. Dali lang. Dito yan sa may castle. Ay, si Ate Emso. Wait. Yeah. 1, 2.
Ang ganda talaga
Tree.
ng magnolia nila. It's really big and it's dalawang tree lang siya pero malaki ang magnolia nila. Nice and beautiful. Kaya picture muna tayo, my love, here in the magnolia tree. Hoy, Ate Emily, huwag mong kunin yung mga bulaklak at baka mahuli tayo ng
Close up.
pulis. Magtago ka dyan. Sige ka. And also here they
Naka,
have this beautiful Saarbrücken na may flowers sa harapan ni yellow. It's nice. They have magnolia, the beautiful magnolia tree here. Actually this is the Cheddar. It's along the Rhine, along the Mosel. So ayan ang Mosel.
This is
As you
along
see,
the
this is
Rhine? This is
Mosel
the
daw
Rhine, the
yan.
Mosel.
Yung river na yan. So ayan. So this is along the river. And here
ganda.
is the nice parang music.
Wow, te, ganda niya.
building
Saarbrücken,
nila.
kailangan
And then,
natin magpa-picture dyan.
That's the place that they're standing, Saarbrücken.
Saarbrücken City. Can go bye-bye. Look, this is the Mosel. Along the Mosel, and that's the castle of Saarbrücken. And that place is the city center. So, we're just outside the city center.
So, Mosel pala ang tawag dyan sa sa ilog na yan. So, connecting na yung papunta sa
That's the brick.
Koblenz. So, picture muna
Teo.
tayo dito uli bago babalik na kami. So, as you see, ang ganda ng place. Oh, diba? So, yung church, yung maliit na church, as I told you, this is the Catholic Church at yung malaking church ay ang Protestant Church pala yun. So,
We're going here to the Protestant church. But it is Catholic Kerk St. Johann. Yeah. We check. Basilica.
nakakashock dahil ang dami nagsisimba pala dito every Sunday sa Catholic Church nila. Nakakatuwa naman talaga, and I wish and I hope that kagaya rin yan sa Netherlands. Ayan, Mother of Perpetual Health, pray for us po. Thank you so much, Lord, at makabalik kami ng maayos sa aming tirahan. Maraming salamat po.
No. 1, 2,
So we're back
3.
here again by the municipal of Saarbrücken. Ayan si Ate Ems, aalis daw siya.
Natin ako.
So,
Natin ako.
kasi this is from Saarbrücken on the way to Cologne. So, ayan, samahan niyo kami sa aming paglalakbay. Salamat sa pagsama niyo sa paglalakbay namin. We are now here in Cologne by St. Gallion. Magsisimba muna kami. At today is Sunday, kaya magsisimba kami dito sa Cologne with the Filipino community. Maraming salamat po Ate Bioli at Tita Linda at si Father Rodel, ang poging pari ng Cologne.